This is Jayatri Bose, nutritionist and dietitian. Today I have come up with a very interesting topic. It is especially for women. So first and foremost, I would like to say it is not very easy to be a woman. It is a woman's life is composed of so many different phases. Every single month, when a woman starts with a menstrual cycle, her hormone levels, her estrogen goes up and down twice. So it is a difficult task. So today I have come with some kind of problem which women during their perimenopause and menopausal years face, that is belly fat. And everybody, they want to look good, including me. And when we are wearing something beautiful, some nice dress, we don't want to have this belly fat. And I have seen, it is a truth, I have seen women, those who are in beautiful figure, perfect body composition and everything, but still they have this abdomen. So first and foremost, why this happens? I will tell you, it's a very simple thing. It happens because of this hormone cortisol. Why we are having this cortisol? Because during this period of time, mostly as mothers, I would say, our children are all grown up and they go to different cities, they settle down with their own life, they are into their own friends. So we as women, we feel little neglected. So we feel that empty nest kind of a thing. So that really leads to kind of a stress. Other than that, on top of that, our hormones are playing football inside our body. So our estrogen level goes down, progesterone goes down, and over here our flight and fight mode, our cortisol levels or our stress hormones, it is going up. So this cortisol, this hormone which is secreted by adrenal gland, it has this horrible tendency to hold on to belly fat. And it also tricks your mind into eating all kind of wrong food. So how? Now this is the part what goes wrong, why women in their perimenopause and menopausal era, why they go through this belly fat, but how we can fight that. We cannot even think that this is like the end of it. No, not at all. I would like to say we have beautiful solution for that, especially I will tell you today. This belly fat can be combated in point of nutrition through 3 phases. What we need to do is first and foremost, we need to take care of the bloating. So there are specific kind of food and natural food and also fruits and vegetables and juices that will really help you. And this recipes, like suppose I will give some small example, like H2O, like bloat reducing H2O, it will have watermelon, it will have mint leaves, it will be soaked overnight and it has to be taken, it will have cucumber, ginger, lemon and all these kind of natural ingredients. So this kind of water which can be sipped throughout the day, it is very good for women during their PMS syndrome, that is just before their menstruation, and also very good for women during the perimenopause and menopausal age. So first and foremost, we will target the bloating, because this cortisol, what it leads to accumulation of total body water. Whatever we are eating, it is easily, that sodium, our cells, it just swells up. It is full of sodium. So what we can do, we can reduce the bloat in the first week. So this first week of diet, it will constitute of bloat reducing water. It will have a digestive enhancer which has to be drunk with 20 minutes before each and every meal of yours. And then there will be a bloat reducing tea. So these all recipes are there. So that will really work wonders. Within 7 days, you will see visible changes in your weighing scale, because all this excess water, which is not body fat at all, it will be gone. It will be gone. And then next comes the reduction of fat. Once we have targeted the water, now we will think of how to reduce the fat. Over here, to reduce fat, we will incorporate some kind of items, like we will have some healthy fat. We will have flaxseed, we will have chia seed, we will have avocado. It will be made into different recipes, like chickpeas also will have made into hummus with tahini. So different kind of tweaks and turns. It won't be like a bland food, it will be a very interesting meal. So you can add and make a recipe out of it, and for the coming 7 days, it will be a fat bursting week for you. Over here you can add coconut oil, MCT oil, all these kind of things with different kind of menu. It will also have this fat bursting digestive enhancer. It will have a broth which has to be taken with every meal. And then the third phase comes. In this third phase, now we are done with our fat bursting, we are done with our bloat reduction. Now it comes is our hormone balancing. So now to keep this a normal, beautiful hormonal level, what we need to do? Few things. First and foremost, we need to go for some kind of pranayams, which is very important to combat with the stress levels. Other than that, other than following meditation and pranayam, what we can do? We can go for this hormone balancing meal for 1 week. Minimum of 1 week, we should start with this hormone balancing meal, and depending on this your lifestyle or your personal choice or the food preference, you can continue with that, because this hormone will keep on going and messing with your head. So what we need to do, we need to balance this hormone throughout our life. So start with a nice exercise schedule, a pranayama schedule, and follow this diet which will be mentioned in the description, and I can assure you, you will see visible results, and within 21 days you will have no complaints whatsoever. Your belly fat will be gone, your abdomen will be looking totally flat, and if you continue this, you will keep on seeing changes and you will start feeling better. Your skin will have a beautiful glow to it, and you will look like a sunshine, which we all deserve. I'm sure you deserve too. Thank you.